Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about two important concepts in physics, that is heat and temperature. These two words sound similar. People even use them interchangeably in daily life. But in physics, they are completely different things. And once you understand the difference, trust me, so many things in the world will suddenly start making sense. So let's understand heat and temperature using real life examples. Let's start with a simple question. When someone asks, is water hot? What do we usually do? We touch it with our hand. If it feels warm, we say, yes, it has heat. But here's the interesting part is, in physics, heat and temperature are not the same. So first let's talk about temperature. Temperature simply tells us how hot or cold an object is. It is basically an indicator, a reading of the average kinetic energy of the particles in that object. In simple words, if the particles are moving fast, the temperature is high. If particles are moving slow, the temperature is low. That's it. Temperature is just a measure. We measure temperature using a thermometer, and the unit is degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit, or Kelvin. So temperature is like a number that tells you how hot something feels. Now we will understand heat. Heat is the energy that flows from a hotter object to a colder object. Remember this, heat always flows from high temperature to low temperature. If you touch a hot cup of tea, heat flows from the tea to your hand. If you put ice in water, heat flows from the water to the ice. This transfer of energy, this flow, is called heat. The unit of heat is joules or calories. So you can think of it this way. Temperature is like the reading on the thermometer, but heat is the actual energy that moves from one place to another. Let's understand this with a simple real-life example. Imagine you have two buckets of water, one small bucket and one big bucket. Both are at the same temperature, let's say 50 degrees Celsius. Now here's the twist. Even though the temperature is the same, the big bucket actually contains more heat energy. Why? Because it has more water, meaning more particles, and therefore more total thermal energy. So temperature is same, but heat is different. This is a perfect example of how heat and temperature are not the same thing. Another interesting example is, think about a spark from a welding machine. The spark is extremely hot, very high temperature. But if it lands on your hand, it doesn't burn deeply. On the other hand, boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius can burn you very badly. Why? Because the amount of heat energy in a tiny spark is very small. But boiling water has a lot of more heat energy even though the temperature is lower. Again, temperature is high in the spark, but heat is low. Now let's talk about how heat actually moves. Heat can transfer in three ways: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction means when heat moves through solids. For example, if you heat a metal spoon at one end, the other end becomes hot too. Convection means heat transfer in liquids and gases. That's why warm air rises and cool air sinks, creating convection currents. Radiation means heat transfer without any medium, like the heat you feel from the sun, even though it's 150 million kilometers away. We will make a detailed video on these three modes separately, but for now, just remember, heat can move in multiple ways. Now let's quickly revise. Temperature tells you how hot or cold something is. It is a measure of the average kinetic energy of particles. Heat is the energy. It flows from a hotter object to a colder object. Two objects can have the same temperature but different amount of heat. Something can be extremely hot like a spark, but may not contain much heat energy. And something can have lower temperature but very high heat, like a bucket of hot water. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments which topic should we explain in the next video, like heat transfer, latent heat, or thermal expansion. See you in the next video.